Now, the debate going back and forth may be heated now, but it was just as intense when the law was introduced. We introduce you to a few people with passionate opinions during that debate in 2009. We caught up with them today to get their reaction to the ruling. Fox 11's Beth Jones brings us multiple views.
I stayed up till midnight at the original vote back in 2009 and cried when it passed, and today I wept again.
It's going to really hurt down the road. It's going to lead to socialism more extensively.
You may remember Richard Hansen and Jane Benson. We met them both during the heated healthcare debates in 2009. Hansen became known as the man in the yellow shirt, while vocalizing his opinion at a listening session hosted by then Congressman Steve Kagan. 3 years later, both feel just as strongly as they did before.
If you have ever been denied insurance, you understand.
We are on the wrong course in this country at the way things are going right now, because the things that this guy has promised have not been happening the way he promised.
2009 was no doubt a hectic year nationwide, but with Republicans vowing to rip up the law, could we see just as much contention after the November elections?
I'm quite confident that the law will be either repealed or, at the minimum, substantially modified.
Republican Congressman Tom Petri says health care will always be a debated topic, but he's hopeful something can get done in a responsible manner.
We do have to find ways of doing a better job in maintaining quality in health care, but doing it in a more affordable way. And I think there are ways that we can do that.
We believe that the purpose of government is to protect your rights, not take them away.
Former Congressman Democrat Steve Kagan says he doesn't know one way or the other. He just wants to see the country move forward.
I really believe, as I think everyone else does, that I am my brother's keeper, that I should care about my neighbor and help them, not just to be healthy, but to get a job. So let's not litigate the past. Let's politically move on.
As for Richard and Jane, both hope eventually the country can one day work as one.
We know that you can't just disassemble everything, but we also know you have to start somewhere.
My only wish is the fact that it gets cleared up, either side, whatever it is that we get there, get our employment going again, and everybody gets to the point where we can get along fine.
In Green Bay, Beth Jones, Fox 11 News.